barbershop is the community. You know what I'm saying? And if you can't lead in your home, there's no way that you can lead in the community. And if you can't lead the community, there's no way that you can lead the world. So it all still starts with that small foundation.
Let's talk about how important the relationship with the wife is for you, and being able to chase your dreams and fulfill your purpose in this barber industry. How impactful and important was it to find the right woman and be in sync with that right woman and be married to an amazing wife? How was that for you?
That part is super important because of the fact that if you don't end up with the right person, it's definitely going to throw you off. You know what I'm saying? You got to definitely get with somebody who you can trust, that has your best interests. You know what I'm saying? And one thing about my wife is I've been knowing my wife actually all my life. We grew up together. We grew up in the same church. There's pictures of us singing on the choir at 5 years old in children's church. Yeah. She is the best investment asset that I actually have. You know what I'm saying? I can truly say that. And she knows that, you know. Actually, I believe every man has to have something that he's willing to die for in order to live. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, you know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Meaning that a lot of times, you know, I'm not driven by money. You know what I'm saying? Money is cool, but that's not the most important thing. You know what I'm saying? Because if you was to ask somebody, or if you ask me right now, would I give up one of my wife or my kids for $1 million? No. Would I give up my health for $1 million? No. So the most important things that we have are actually the relationships. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. And so once a man has something that he actually loves and appreciates so much, that actually gives him the drive, because a lot of times the reason for wanting to succeed, it ain't just about me. It's really about her.
Absolutely.
To be honest with you. I mean, shoot, we just started out, and I said in the podcast from the get-go when I was 15, these were things I wanted to have in place for her, even though I didn't know she was going to be the one at the time. You see what I'm saying? So I believe every man has to have something that he is willing to sacrifice and give it all for. Because at the end of the day, it don't take much for us.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
For sure.
And so just being able to have the right woman, that's how important it is, because if you have that right woman, that's going to be that push automatically, because you want to be the best version of yourself for her.
Absolutely.